How to change language in Telegram application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to change language inside your Telegram application. So let's get started. First thing, simply head over to your Telegram application and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you're inside it, just tap on this hamburger icon at the top left corner and simply click on this settings. So once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down until you see the option called language. So just select it, and as you can see there are various languages from which you can choose to, and just select on any of the language which you want. And once you select the language you desire, let's say I want to choose Arabic, and just like that your language will be successfully changed. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.